Sustainability has transitioned from being a corporate responsibility to becoming a core strategic goal. Since 2016, organizations have shifted from doing good to doing well to achieve sustainability objectives. This involves integrating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors into business strategies to address broader challenges, including resource optimization, employee well being, and brand value. The tire industry continues to grow, but it's also investing heavily in sustainability. Companies are focusing on circular innovations to address resource scarcity and transitioning to low carbon energy solutions. Human rights, safety, and equal opportunities remain pivotal in fostering a resilient value chain. Advanced technologies like Industry 4.0 are key enablers for this transformation. Energy consumption is a significant focus in tire manufacturing. Key areas of optimization include efficiency in tire assembly, lighting and heating to add cooling systems improved, compressed air and steam distribution, advanced analytics using AI and ML to detect anomalies and optimize performance. Achieving sustainability requires collaboration across roles, from CEOs and CFOs to digital and sustainability officers. A dedicated sustainability program team is essential for aligning efforts and driving meaningful change. Why should we focus on sustainability? It leads to tangible benefits: top line growth through customer trust and stronger resource access, cost reductions via energy efficiency and waste management compliance with regulations, boosting strategic freedom, enhanced employee engagement and talent attraction, optimized investments for long term returns. To achieve net zero carbon by 2050, we propose a roadmap with measurable milestones. Baseline ESG metrics in line with the Glasgow Climate Pact by 2023. Formulate and revise sustainability plans with stakeholder input in 2024. Implement CapEx and OpEx based solutions from 2025. Monitor and refine KPIs regularly, driving towards net zero by 2050. While the tire industry has made strides towards sustainability, the progress has not met expectations. Moving forward, collaboration across the ecosystem and adherence to global frameworks like COP21 will be essential. Together, we can accelerate these initiatives and achieve our sustainability goals. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, feel free to reach out. Let's work together to create a sustainable future.